Hey and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you the simplest way to rotate the object in Unity and C#. So let's create the script and jump in. So first I will remove everything, I will just leave the update and we'll make serialize field with float and I will call that rotation speed. And just as a start, just make it as 0. And you can use the update or fixed update, whatever you like. So what you need to write is just transform, rotate, and put the speed on the axis you would like to use. In this case will be Z. And I will show you later whenever I change the axis and put the speed on the other zeros. So now we need some object. And first I will show you on the 2D and that code as well will work on the 3D. So I will make some random cube. So now we need to add the rotation script and go to the game and just simply change the speed. And here you can see how it's rotate on his axis. So now we'll just change that, put on the other one, and after that I will show you how to make the manual change of the rotation or all of the axis instead of the one like it's here on the begin. And I will see it's gonna rotate in the other axis. Of course, for 2D you will need some nice asset to look it better. I just use some random of my asset. Okay, so let's jump in and make the rotation for every axis separately. So I'll just change that float to rotation X, Y, and Z. And instead of the float you can use as well the int, but float give you more possibility to change because in the int you have the whole numbers. And now we need to change the rotation speed because we don't use that any longer and change the 0 to the proper axis. So rotate X, Y, and Z. And now we have full the access to rotation or every single axis. So this is how it's work on the 2D. Let's create some 3D object and check that rotation script on it. I will just make simple cube and scale it a bit. Move on the front. And now we need to attach the script. And it's gonna work the same like on the 2D. And you will see the effect on 3D cube. I need to move that bit on the side, and now you can see it's a 3D object. and everything work like it should. It rotate against its own axis. Now let's make some change and put the both together and see how they rotate. It's everything working. So that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check Otter's videos for my channel. See you next time. Cheers.